This tool helps to quantify changes in fibrillar collagen organization in the extracellular matrix related to many diseases on a global, region of interest, and individual fiber basis. This tool uses the Curvelet transform, an optimal multi-scale directional image representation method, to remove image noises and to enhance fiber edges. Comprehensive and user-friendly modules enable an efficient quantification. For individual fiber extraction, follow the protocol to open the CT Fire and click Open Files to select one or more images of interest. In the Parameters panel, click Update and adjust the background threshold and the nucleation searching radius. When all of the parameters have been set, click Run. After the analysis is done, click any element in the output table to visualize the results, and check the CT Fire Out subfolder for the output files. To analyze a region of interest, click Open Files to load one or more images and select the image to be annotated. In the Run Options panel, select Region of Interest Manager in the drop-down menu and click Run to launch the Region of Interest Manager module. Next, click the Draw Region of Interest Menu D drop-down menu and draw the regions of interest. If full image CT Fire analysis has been conducted,